안녕하세요. Hello everybody. My name is PAULA and I'm a pedagogical manager from Heisschools in Helsinki, Finland. And it's my pleasure to present Heisschools Island today and tell you a little bit more about Heisschools Club here at Nami. Okay, so to tell you a little bit about what we mean by Hey Club Flow. So basically we have a session with a group of children which is led by a lead educator, and then the children gather together in a circle called Hey Time. And during the Hey Time, the teacher is greeting each child individually and also the teachers, and then we practice some daily routines like days of the week, discussing the weather. We introduce the topic for the Hey activity, and then we sort of give all of the children a chance to sing a song together, play a game together, and then we end the Hey time moving on to the next session. The next session following Hey activity in this idea is that we have a project which is based on the Finnish early childhood education curriculum, and in this time the group is divided into smaller groups, and the children who are in the group which will be with the project, they work closely with the teacher who leads the activity, and the other children are then free to explore the whole learning environment. And this is like the main core of the session. And then when the free exploration and the activity ends, the children then have what we call clean-up time or tidy up time. And the idea is that the children then tidy all of the toys and games they've been playing with to maintain the environment. And then after the tidy up time, the children then come back to the circle where we started the session, and we end the session with Hey time. And that's how the club flow session goes. And currently it's running at 1.5 hours a session. Hey time is the way we begin our Hey Club session, and it's the time to welcome the children, welcome the teachers, and set the tone for the activity for the day. And usually when it's done, or the optimal way to do it is that there is lots of singing, lots of playful interaction through games and discussion, and it basically gets the children ready for the day with us. Yeah. Okay, so Hey activity is actually the teacher-led activity, which is usually a science project, and something which enables children to make this inquiry-based learning. And the teacher leads the session by modeling an experiment, for example, a science experiment, and then children are allowed then to investigate by themselves how to conduct the experiment. And the idea also is that if children are really engaged in the learning, they still can continue after the activity is kind of ended. For example, instead of going for free play, they might want to continue exploring the phenomena independently or with a friend. And the reason it benefits children is because they have the freedom to be autonomous in their learning, and the teacher is there acting as a facilitator to guide the learning. Okay, so Hey Play is the time when children get the freedom to explore the learning environment. And in Finland, we believe that children have freedom to choose their own play, and by doing so they commit to the play, meaning that they will spend extended periods of time playing either independently or even better with a friend or with a group of friends. And during this moment they get the chance to practice communication skills. They learn how to negotiate, they learn how to take turns, they learn how to respect the materials, about sharing, and they also learn to practice skills So often if you have a group of children with older children and younger children, the older children can teach the younger children the skills that they've accomplished already. So that's one of the main benefits of the free exploration. And the Hey time is actually the way we end the Heischool's club session. So we regroup the children back into the circle, and the teacher asks the children what they've enjoyed about the session. We also reinforce new vocabulary, new concepts, and it's a chance for the children to show their learning, and also if they've made something, they can also share it with the group. They can present the artwork or the science project and tell something about what they learned, and that's the idea. And it's also, we greet all of the children goodbye, so everybody is individually thanked for participating, and look forward to see you next time. Thank you so much for listening, and look forward to seeing you all here in Nami Island at Heischool's Club. Bye! Hey!